lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with another Walmart's Ibotta Haul, guys. I am trying to get my 2 bonuses accomplished. My $10 bonus, yes, and I got a $5 midweek moneymaker. So let's jump into this haul, guys. I'm going to get my extra cash. The first rebate I decided to do was these Snyders Hanover Twisted Pretzels, okay? Now these are a seasoned pretzel. They were priced through $2.98 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. There is a $3.89 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 91 cents. Pretty great deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Chic Hydro Skin Razor. This was priced $8.96 in my Walmart. I used the $4 coupon out of the $4.28 Smart Source. Dropped my cost in store to $4.96. There is a $4 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 96 cents, guys. Not too bad of a deal. Next rebate I did was on the Colgate Max. This is actually a 3-pack, guys, and it was priced $5.96 in my Walmart. I used a $1 insert coupon from the $4.25 Smart Source. Dropped my cost in store to $4.96. There is a $5 Ibotta rebate attaching to this, making the final cost free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Great deal. Yeah. I hope that one resets. Now there's also a coupons.com coupon. That coupon is listed on coupons.com. So if you didn't get the insert coupon, perhaps you can use that. Okay. Now the next rebate I did was on the Colgate Cavity Protection. Okay. This is a 3-pack and it was priced $3.96 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $3.96 in store. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 96 cents. I did not submit this to coupons.com because I do not believe it's going to attach, because the cavity protection is not listed, nor was it listed on that $1 insert coupon. But perhaps you can go on Colgate.com and try to get you a coupon. However, I did not. Next rebate I decided to do was any deodorant rebate. And what I purchased was this trial size Dove deodorant. I'm sure my husband and I were going to be going somewhere this summer on vacation. So this was only 97 cents. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay 97 cents in store. Like I said, it was out of the trial and travel section. The 10-cent any brand deodorant attached to it, making the final cost 87 cents. And that any brand rebates do count in those 2 bonuses that I'm working on. That's why I got this item. For some reason, the any brand tampon and the any brand pads will not let me select it. It's got some kind of error, so it must be the way they coded it. I don't know. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Renews It scent cones. For this rebate, you must purchase 6. They're 97 cents each in my Walmart for a total of $5.82. I used the buy 4 get 2 free coupon, which took off $1.94, so I had to pay $3.88 in store. I'm getting back $2 from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.88 for the 6 cones. So I've got 3, and I've got 3 more right here. Good deal, okay? Next rebate, guys. Had to do it. Had to get it again. I got to keep getting it. My Jimmy Dean maple sausage to go in my Rotel. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for sure, okay? Price $3.48. I used that 50-cent insert coupon from the $3.28 save. Made my cost be $2.98 in my Walmart. I got that $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.98 for the Jimmy Dean maple sausage. You don't have to get maple. They have other flavors, but I specifically need the maple for my Rotel. And somebody asked, what do I do with the Rotel? Basically, it is the Jimmy Dean sausage, about half a can of the Rotel original, and cream cheese. Whew, so good. So you're going to brown your sausage, drain it, chop it up really good, and mix in your cream cheese and your Rotel to the consistency from which you prefer. And then I eat it with Doritos, and it's some kind of good. We actually had it at the movie night that we did with my daughters, okay? So the next rebate I did was on the Oreo Dynasty again, okay? It reset again, guys, for buy one, get one free. Had to do it. $3.67 each. I must get 2 for a total of $7.34. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $7.34 in store. Ibotta gave me back $3.67, making the final cost $3.67 for the 2 packs. I'm gonna burn that up as many times as they give it to me. I'm buying it because I'm giving Oreos away to my kids. Next is the snack pack. This time I got the butterscotch. I went to a different Walmart and it's priced $1 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1 in store. There is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 75 cents. Now, some of you guys may have a higher value. I think somebody I was watching, they had a 75-cent rebate. So this is a really good deal for you guys to do if you're trying to get them rebates done for them bonuses, okay? The next rebate I did was the Palmer's. Again, this is a hair product. It is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost Grow Treatment. This is then I consider it the natural hair section of Walmart, okay? Price $3.88, didn't have a coupon, so I paid $3.88 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.88. Now, the rebate, as you can see, doesn't look like this. So you can't be thrown off by the pictures of a rebate. You got to read, okay? Because sometimes you be not doing a rebate, and that's how it was with the snack pack. I wasn't doing this rebate because it's a picture of the Jell-O, and I'm like, I don't eat Jell-O, but I eat pudding. All right, so the next rebate was the Palmolive Spray Away, guys. $3.98 in my Walmart. There is a 25-cent coupon on the Palmolive website that is linked in my Google document that's in the description box of this video. I used a 25-cent coupon that I printed off, making my cost in store $3.73. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, and there's also shop kick for this, okay? You may have some in-store kicks. I think my in-store kicks did not reset, but I did have some scan kicks, okay? Giving me back 80 cents for a final cost of $1.93 for the spray away. I'm cool with that. I'm gonna keep doing it until it don't reset no more. Next rebate, guys, was the Betty Crocker pancake mix. This is a great deal. $2.98, guys. No coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. From Ibotta, there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. And then Shopkick, scan in store and upload your receipt for some kicks for a total of $1.16 coming back, making the final cost $1.07 for this 32-ounce bag. That is a great deal. Next rebate I did was on the Goody hairpins, guys. They're priced 94 cents in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay 94 cents in store. But when you scan in the store and upload your receipt, you're going to get some kicks. Yours may be more. Mine was more last time, to where this was actually free and a slight money maker. But this time I'm only getting back 90 cents, and it's going to make it be 4 cents in cost. But that's great because I need that Shopkick money to go back in and replenish for my Shopkick shopping gift cards, okay? Now let's look at the totals. The total of everything, and this was in 2 trips, was $52.25. I had $7.69 in coupons. I did use 2 Shopkick gift cards, 2 $5 Shopkick gift cards, for a total of $10 to pay for these transactions. That made me pay in store $34.56. Now, for rebates, I got back $26.76. Then I got a 50-cent bonus for a Renews It bonus. And from Shopkick, I will get back $2.86. Not too bad. For a final cost of $4.44. 19 items, that's about 23 cents per item. That is a great deal, guys. I'm going to give this stuff away to my kids. I just want the cash. I just want the Ibotta cash. All right, guys, that is it. Make sure that you look in the description box of the video, get your Google document so you will be able to go in store and have your deals. And I also wanted to check in with you guys about how is your Ibotta Savings Challenge going? How is it going, guys? I actually rolled over $40, so that meant Of course, I told you guys that I was saving 30%, so that's actually $12.60 that I need to take out, and not thinking at Walmart it was only gonna let me do cash back of $20 and up. So I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to move my Ibotta savings. I might have to just move it like from my PayPal to my bank account and just do it like that. I'm gonna have to figure that out, guys. But I really wanted to have cash so I could have a visual inspiration. Maybe like stick my cash in my cup that my sister-in-law made me. Stick it in my cup or put it in my mirror box that my daughter India gave me. So, you know, I had some motivation, okay? Let me know in the comments, guys, how much money have you all saved? We're going to do a check-in at the end of the month, okay? All right, guys, that's it. Remember, click to save and you'll be amazed. Bye-bye.